The Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals is a must-have for racing enthusiasts, delivering a highly immersive and realistic driving experience. Designed for PS5, PS4, PC, and Mac, this product combines advanced features with durable craftsmanship to bring the thrill of the racetrack right into your home. The dual-motor force feedback is the standout feature, providing realistic vibrations and resistance that mimic the nuances of different terrains, braking, and cornering. This makes every race feel authentic, as you sense the grip loss and road texture with incredible accuracy. The stainless steel paddle shifters and the responsive pedals add to the premium feel, offering smooth and precise control for both casual players and hardcore sim racers. The steering wheel, covered in high-quality leather, not only feels great in your hands, but also ensures long-term durability. Its 900-degree rotation range closely mimics the steering mechanism of real cars, adding an extra layer of immersion. The pedals are sturdy and well-designed, with adjustable resistance on the brake for a customizable and realistic feel. Compatibility is seamless across platforms, making this a versatile choice for multi-device setups. While it may require a solid racing mount or stand for optimal stability, the Logitech G29 is an investment that transforms gaming into a professional-grade driving simulation. For anyone serious about racing games, the Logitech G29 is worth every penny, offering a premium, lifelike experience that redefines virtual racing. Discounted Amazon links in the description.